Hi everyone. Yeah, my name is Olusegun Daniel. So, as you all know, I'm going to be taking some of the corrections we've done on our hands-on projects. So, just for the purpose of, would I say, for those that don't really understand, or for those that actually came across one or two problems. So, yeah, let's start. So, please give me a minute. Okay. Trying to sort some things out. Okay, okay, okay. The first question for hands-on practice one. The first question is would I say the first exercise is printing text, and the objective is to practice using print functions. So this is the instruction. Write a Python program that displays hello world. My name is, and I am learning Python. Programming is exciting. So let's get to the yeah. Let's say we are going to use the print function to answer this. So the first one is print hello world. Okay, hello world. Let's see. Then you print your name. Print my name. My name is Olusegun Daniel. My name is Olusegun Daniel. I am learning Python. So say print. I am learning Python. I I am learning Python. Then print programming is exciting. Yes, indeed, it is exciting. It's exciting. Exciting. So let's so these are outputs. Hello world. My name is Olusegun Daniel. Learning Python programming is exciting. Okay. Now let's go to the next stage. Is multiple print statements. Okay, you create a program that prints your favorite food, movies, sport, colors. So now let's do that. They've given us example. This is the first example. The second one is print. Don't want to. Let's print another one. Let's say I love football. I love football, or you can call it soccer, but I call it football. I love football. My favorite color is, let's say, my favorite color is green. Let's say green. So yeah, let's execute. Yeah, okay. The calculation. Okay, let me for the calculation. Uh, Python calculator. We are going to write a program that displays the following. So the program normally we is supposed to display 5 plus. Okay, let me quickly put it. that displays the following, that displays the full answer to the following. So yes, this is it, I think. So yeah, displays the answer to the following. So yeah, yes. Okay. Now, I think I wrote it down. So you want to calculate this, like the 15 plus 5, you write, you want to actually display the answer to the following. So we are going to say print for the first one, print, open brackets, 15 plus 5. Since we're adding it together. Same thing for the second one, 13 minus 12. For the third one, we are using star. Star is the for multiplication. For the fifth one, we are using division. Sixth one, we are actually trying to look for the remainder. Okay, the difference between these three division is this: 72 divided by 9. This 72 divided by 9 is just going to show us the answer in float. Yes, if it's let's say 7 points, let's say 7 remainder 5, it's going to show us 7.5. You get, so the answer is just going to, the output is just going to be in float. That's the data type float. Y for the other one, which is showing percentage, is going to be showing us the remainder. Y for this other one, I think it's floor, is going to be showing us in integer. So it's just going to be showing us the in whole numbers without showing us the remainder. Why the this other one, some 5 raised to power 2. So we use 2 star sign, 4 raised to power. So yes, and these are our outputs. As we can see, you can see 8, that's 72 divided by 9, 8 is showing us in float. It's going to be showing like that. Okay, let's say 72 divided by 10. Now let's see, you can see 7.2 showing you 7 remainder 2. So yes, that's how it works. And for um 18 divided by 3 is actually, 18 divided by 5 is actually going to give us 3.3. So this 3 here is not the whole number, is the remainder. Okay, now let's say 19 should be 3.4. Then the remainder will now be 4. Let's do that. As you can see, it's 4 now. Why this other one will just show us the whole number. So 10 divided by 3 is going to give us 3 remainder 1. So it's just going to show us the whole number without showing us the remainder. That is why it's like this. Now let's change these two. Okay, yeah, that's why it's like this. If you should change this divided by 2, you should see it's going to give us 5. So it does not have any any number remaining there. So yeah, 5 raised to power 2, we all know that is 25. That is why we have this answer. So let's go to the next exercise, which is let me copy the question. Exercise understanding comments. Yeah. Okay, I don't think, okay. Um Now let me put the question here. Display the, okay, I'm coming. So this is it, exercise 4. So exercise 4, understanding comments. So all this we are doing is we're adding comments already. We have already started adding comments. So Say we should print Python, we should print program, we should print lesson, and the expected answer is displaying the programming language. Like just want to see the comments actually. We don't Yeah, we are just interested in the comments, which we have been doing. All these are the comments. So yes, so let's just do one because we've been doing it. All these are our comments. Just so now let's do the first one. Uh, Print programming language. So displaying programming language. So yes, we print programming language. So it's already written there now. Um, okay, I'm coming. Add a comment to show to explain the following program. So print programming language. Let's do this. Let me not just so yeah. The expected answer is this. This is our expected answer. Let's say want to print Python. So the comment here should be we want to display the programming language, which is for Python. We are trying to tell them what we are actually working on to actually display Python, which is what we are done here. So there's no, I don't think there's extra comments we we can add. Okay, let's say something like uh, to show the calculation of this. Okay, show the calculation for this. So let's say print two two times 23. Then we so yeah, we're actually trying to do that. So yeah, so let's look at the for the first lesson, the last challenge, which is exercise 5. Adjust our challenge. So let's just let me copy the question. Okay, now this is our challenge exercise. So exercise 5, without looking back at the notes, write a program that prints your name, your dream career, your country, your so I think this is easy. And maybe I can give you assignment, and on another assignment I would have said you should solve this. But yeah, sorry. Okay. So now let me print my name. Let me add the comments. Printing my name, which is Olusegun Daniel, as we all know. Okay, let me just use my coach name, um, Timothy. Okay, print my name is T Mr. Timothy. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Print Prince, I am a I am a politician. Politician. Okay. I know Mr. Miss Timothy will might not like politics, but I'm sure he's going to like the money in politics. Abby, he would love to chop money. Okay, don't like to chop money, so I I am from Nigeria. Okay, now let's do a calculation. So let's do. Okay, I think you understand what we are trying to solve. It's not really something of a big deal. So calculate. Let's just say calculation. I'm just going to do one calculation. Let's say 40, or let's say 40. Okay, let's say 40 divided by 6. Then let's see. Okay, that's it. Let me know too much. I don't need the main thing is just to show you how it works. So yeah, this is the end of the first section. So see you at the first answer. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.